Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Saturn 4 Ultra versus Saturn 3 Ultra. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First, talk about display size. 15.6 inches is provided by 4 Ultra and 14 inches is provided by 3 Ultra. So the winner is 4 Ultra. Now let's look at the processor. Intel i9 14 core 13th gen processor is provided by 4 Ultra and Intel i7 12 core 12th gen processor is provided by 3 Ultra. So the winner is 4 Ultra. Now let's look at the graphic card. NVIDIA RTX 4090 16GB GDDR6 is provided by 4 Ultra and NVIDIA RTX 3080 12GB GDDR6 is provided by 3 Ultra. So the winner is 4 Ultra. Now let's look at the RAM. 32GB DDR4 is provided by 4 Ultra and 16GB DDR4 is provided by 3 Ultra. So the winner is 4 Ultra. Now let's look at the storage. 2 TB SSD is provided by 4 Ultra and 1 TB SSD is provided by 3 Ultra. So the winner is 4 Ultra. Now let's look at the cooling system. Advanced liquid cooling system is provided by 4 Ultra and standard air cooling system is provided by 3 Ultra. So the winner is 4 Ultra. Now let's look at the battery life. Up to 10 hours is provided by 4 Ultra and up to 8 hours is provided by 3 Ultra. So the winner is 4 Ultra. Now let's look at the weight. 5.5 lbs 2.5 kg weight is provided by 4 Ultra and 4.8 lbs 2.2 kg is provided by 3 Ultra. So the winner is 3 Ultra. Now let's look at the price. $3499 is the estimate price of Saturn 4 Ultra and $2499 is the estimate price of 3 Ultra. So it's depend upon the budget. And in the last, let's look at the target audience. The target audience of Saturn 4 Ultra is hardcore gamers and creators. And the target audience of Saturn 3 Ultra is mid-level gamers and professionals. So it depends upon the case. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.